always strive to eat a healthy meal. But most of us are confused with the word healthy eating, and what to include in the meal to make it healthy. In this video, let me explain how to enjoy a variety of vegetables for a healthy living. Vegetables provide nutrients that are vital for our body. People who eat more vegetables have a reduced risk of chronic diseases. And most importantly, vegetables are low in fat and calories. Another reason to eat vegetables is they don't have cholesterol. Unless if you add sauces or seasonings to vegetables. Eating a diet rich in vegetables may reduce the risk of heart diseases, including stroke and heart attack. Vegetables that are rich in fiber helps reduce the risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. Are you enjoying the video? Then please subscribe to the channel so that we can bring more such content. How to eat a variety of vegetables to enjoy healthy living. One way is to keep your meals interesting. It is quite common to get bored by following a healthy diet. Boredom leads to stop following healthy habits. Another way is to try vegetables which you never tried. For example, if you never tried asparagus or kale before, why not include them in your meal? Trying new things allows you to make extraordinary discoveries, and also helps you keep fit. Leafy green vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and kale are rich in minerals, vitamins, and other micronutrients. Another way to increase vegetable intake is to use a combination of fresh and frozen vegetables. The best thing about fresh vegetables is the availability of a variety of flavors and colors. Combining and eating different color vegetables will not only provide variety, but also the required nutrition. For example, yellow and orange color vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, while green leafy vegetables are an excellent source of calcium and other nutrients. Why not add your green salad with yellow peppers or orange carrot slices? This way, you can have a variety of meals. Want more? Adding fresh fruits such as apples and oranges will be a great way to make your salads more delicious. Combining fruits and vegetables is a great way to increase your nutrition intake. Remember, eating is more than just satisfying your hunger. Let me know in the comments which variety of vegetables you will use in your meal. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. If you want more such tips, subscribe to the channel.